Hello, and welcome to Learnify English, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence, more clarity, and more joy. I'm Anya, and I'm here to help you improve your English step by step, day by day. Today, we are going to talk about something many English learners struggle with: confidence when speaking English. Maybe you know many English words. Maybe you understand grammar. Maybe you can read English very well. But when it is time to speak, something changes. You feel nervous, your mind goes blank, your heart beats faster, and suddenly the words disappear. Does this sound familiar? If yes, you are not alone. Many English learners feel exactly the same. But here is something important. Confidence does not come first. Confidence grows when you practice, little by little, day by day, one sentence at a time. So let me ask you a question. Why are so many people afraid of speaking English? For most learners, the answer is simple. They are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if my pronunciation is not good? What if people do not understand me? These thoughts are normal. But remember this, mistakes are not the problem. Silence is the problem. Every mistake teaches you something. Every time you speak, your English becomes stronger. Now repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. Now you repeat. I grow every time I speak. Now you repeat. Excellent. Now, let's talk about the first way to build confidence. Speak to yourself every day. Yes, speak to yourself. This may sound funny, but it works very well. When you speak to yourself, there is no pressure. Nobody is judging you. Nobody is interrupting you. You can practice freely. For example, in the morning, you can say, "Good morning. Today will be a busy day. I need coffee. I need to check my phone." Simple sentences like these help your brain think in English naturally. Now, repeat after me. I can speak English every day. Now you repeat. Small practice brings big results. Now you repeat. Very good. The second tip is this. Start with short sentences. Many learners want to speak in long, perfect sentences, but that creates stress. Instead, start simple. For example, today was busy. I worked hard. I learned something new. Short sentences are powerful. Simple English is real English. Remember, clear is better than perfect. Now repeat. I am learning step by step. Now you repeat. Simple English is strong English. Now you repeat. Great job. Now let's talk about another powerful habit. Record your voice. Take your phone, open your voice recorder, speak for 1 minute. Talk about your day. For example, today I woke up early. I had breakfast with my family. Then I studied English. That's enough. When you listen to your voice, you start hearing your progress. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your speaking becomes smoother. Your confidence becomes stronger. Another important tip: stop translating. Many learners first think in their own language, then translate into English. This takes time and creates stress. Instead, think directly in English. For example, I am hungry. It is cold today. I am tired. I need to study. Small thoughts create strong habits. Now, repeat after me. I can think in English. Now you repeat. My confidence grows every day. Now you repeat. And remember this. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep going. Speak today. Practice today. Improve today. Because 1 minute of practice every day can change everything. Thank you for listening. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you next time.